Hello, welcome to Last Technologies, Learning as a Service, where learning meets opportunity. Today's topic is how to create organization in Azure DevOps. So before we can directly create the organization in dev.azure.com, but now Microsoft have changed its way in creating the organization. So you'll have to go to portal.azure.com, then search for Azure DevOps Organizations. Then you will be seeing view my organizations or I create new one. Let me navigate to that window. Here you have an option to create new organization, then get started with Azure DevOps, continue, give all the required details like the organization name and where are you hosting the project. For authentication, just provide whatever is provided here. Continue.